Welcome back to the layout, everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a tour of the equipment that I have on my layout. So construction equipment, trucks, and so on. So we're going to start out here in the construction yard. That's here in the lower part of the layout. So first off, I have a John Deere 650 dozer, have a L60 Volvo front end loader, have a 320 cat excavator, followed by a cat roller, and then I have a Caterpillar wheeled excavator as well, and a Volvo 210 excavator. And then I also have this Caterpillar motor grader as well. Also have a couple different international dump trucks. So I have a red one here, and then you'll see a orange one in just a moment. Also have a GMC low side dump truck. Here is the orange international, and then going along here. So I have a international cement mixer in the back, and just some of my truck traffic. Also have the a international sanitation truck. Got a Ford U-Haul. Got a GMC rollback. Over here in the maintenance away yard, I also have a international low side dump truck, and then I have a 450 Caterpillar rubber tire backhoe. Here I have a case material handler with the extended boom. I also have a flat car load. It has two newer model Cat 320 excavators on here. Over here on the south side of the yard, have a Volvo wheeled excavator and a bucket truck, and also have one of the new M323s, maintenance away excavator multi-tool, and I also have the flatbed here hauling the other attachments as well. Over here in this scene, real simple, I just have a still forklift and a international flatbed. So up here on the second level, this is up here by the cement plant, I have several cranes here in this scene. So this is a Liebherr lattice boom, and this also has several more sections if I wish to make it taller, but I kind of have it set right for this scene. Also have a here's a Grove 700, and got a 730 off-road dump truck, and a 966 front end loader, and then a also have a JCB excavator as well. All right, and then someone had asked about these on one of my previous videos. So this is my paving crew, and someday I'll kind of figure out where on the layout to put this. But start with a just a Caterpillar dump truck, followed with a planer, and then this here is a sweeper brush truck, and this one will be a liquid asphalt truck. I need to get the tank ordered from Shapeways and swap that out, but right now it's a fuel truck. And got a Kenworth dump truck, and then a cat paver, followed by two Volvo rollers as well. So I'll have a road scene on the layout eventually that is receiving a new coat of asphalt, and that's where these will go. And this is my other crane, so I have a Liebherr LTM 1750. And this is with the all crane paint. So I have this one as well. And this equipment up here is everything that I usually keep in drawers that hasn't found a home on the layout yet. So several flatbed trailers, followed by quite a few lowboys, and I have two Volvo 40s haul trucks. Got a cat scraper, water truck. Got two Cat 315 excavators. Got a 955 front end loader. And this is a cat roller with a sand drum. And then this forklift here will be in my lumber facility once that is complete. And then these back here, these are some older Hot Wheels releases that they did a long time ago. They're actually 1/87th scale. They just don't have a ton of detail. So if I do end up using these, they'll be deep in the layout, pretty far back. But probably use them in a logging scene. And then this here is just a could be a vacuum tank or just a fertilizer sprayer, depending on what detail you want to add to it. But that's that. And then I also have a John Deere motor grader, got a D5 dozer, and then I have a chainsaw trencher as well. So again, these don't have a home on the layout yet, and eventually they'll get placed somewhere. Probably a bulk of these will be up in the mine area for the cement plant. And this is the last piece I have on here. So I got a 624 Deere front end loader. It's on the low boy. This is the last bit of equipment that I have. And so I hope you liked the tour of construction equipment and various trucks that are on the layout. Also of note, I shot this video with my new gimbal, trying to get some better stabilization. So hopefully that's coming through on the video. But again, thanks for watching.
Hi, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to hit the bell, where you'll get notifications whenever I post new videos. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, be sure to leave a comment. I try to respond to everyone's comments. And again, thank you for watching.